Welcome to the course Advanced Communication Skills for Engineering and Science Students, abbreviated as ACSESS 2020. Please note the spelling. Here it's S instead of C. This logo stands for the fact that we are going to use International Standard English for technical communication. This course may be one of the most important courses you will ever take, so please take it seriously and enjoy it. My name is Sinha, Dr. Ranbir Sinha. I'm an aerospace engineer and co-founder of Sinha Research, Switzerland. We do research in aerospace engineering, systems engineering, finance, and technical education. Please read this quote. One skill that will boost your value by 50% is communication skill, by Warren Buffett. Please think about it. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the course. That is, what it's about, what it entails, what are the things that you must do to finish this course successfully. Introduction to communication skill for technical professionals such as yourselves. Why? Whenever you learn something, first find out how it's going to benefit you, why you should learn it, why should you be fluent in technical communication. It will boost your value by 50%, by Warren Buffett. When successful people like Warren Buffett say something, take it very seriously. Simply speaking, if you improve your communication skill, you'll get a job. You'll get promotions. Your salary is going to be about 50% higher than others, and you'll have a successful career as an engineer, a scientist, educator, or entrepreneur. Okay? The next thing you should ask is, what does it entail? What is this communication skill? Technical communication means your ability to transfer your technical ideas to others and learn from them. This exchange of ideas, technical ideas. For that, you need to master some sub-skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing, as well as professional body language. We're going to teach all that here. What's implied is comprehension, understanding, logical thinking and analysis, and idea expression. You should be able to express your ideas so effectively that first time people get it right. We'll focus primarily on the verbal skill. Listening and speaking will also include some reading and writing skills. We want to focus primarily on that because of two reasons. One, most of the students are weak in it. Okay? It's been studied. Survey shows they're weak in verbal skill. Also, imagine a situation where you need the verbal skill. For example, a job interview. You are alone there. No one is going to help you. You need verbal communication skill there. Also, you get only one chance. You cannot look for references, ask for help, or repeat. First time you have to get it right. That's why you must have strong verbal skill. The third question you should ask is, how are you going to do that? How are you going to improve your technical communication skill? The first thing to do is to build your technical knowledge, acquire technical knowledge during your studies. 3 or 4 years of degree course, learn as much as you can. We are going to teach you some technical knowledge, give you some technical knowledge right here in this course. But you should be master in your field as well as in general STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. we're going to use this course to teach you part of that. Okay? Technical vocabulary. You must use technical terms and with correct pronunciations. That's a big problem. That's why it's in red. Most of the ESL learners do not know correct pronunciation of technical terms. Okay? Also accent. We're going to teach you the details later, but for now, let's go over what this course is about. You need to use these technical terms in sensible phrases, sentences, and paragraphs. Okay? The way you speak these sentences should follow a pattern, the real English pattern, so that others understand you. For that, we'll teach you a method called GBP, KIR, grouping and blending, pauses, keywords, emphasis, intonation, and rhythm. That builds your fluency. When you speak, people are going to be stunned. They'll listen to you. Okay? That's what we're going to teach you. The last point is organization and flow of thought. Engineers and technical professionals speak in a particular way. They build the knowledge step by step. When they express something, that's also step by step. The flow of thought has to be right. Finally, it's the delivery. Your delivery has to be so impressive that people understand and appreciate what you're saying. Okay? That's going to make it effective. Okay. ACSESS, Advanced Communication Skill for Engineering and Science Students, and also the app that complements it, ACSESS, Advanced Spoken English for Engineering Students. We're going to talk about that. The goal of this course and the software ACSESS is to train you to speak English like a professional engineer. Okay? That's the main goal. There are some other goals. It will give you a general knowledge in engineering using some interesting topics. It will make you think like an engineer, an inventor, and a problem solver. This is very important, to think like an engineer. It will prepare you for jobs and career as an engineer, scientist, educator, or entrepreneur. Okay. It's a 60 hours computer-aided intensive course. It's got some activities, total it may be 80 to 100 hours. Okay. What about the contents is organization and the activities. Let's go over that quickly. We teach you essential technical English using topics chosen from all major engineering branches. It'll teach you 8,000 technical terms with correct pronunciations and 2,000 technical sentences and paragraphs, meaningful sentences, definitions, explanations, applications, ideas, innovative ideas, all that is there. Okay? International pronunciation and accent. That's what we're going to teach you. GA and RP. Simultaneous training in listening, speaking, and reading skill. Simultaneous in British English is pronounced as simultaneous. We'll teach you that too. In American English, simultaneous. Okay? Listening, speaking, reading skills together because it's more efficient. It's been proven that if you teach all that together, you learn the language very quickly. Technical presentation and group discussion skills. You learn about that through examples and activities. Job interview skills. There'll be training on that too. Introduction to job interview, how to search for jobs all the way to job interview through samples, and you'll organize some activities. Topics will be suggested to you. There's a full course, separate course for senior students, second year, third year, and fourth year students called Job Interview Skill Training and an app. That's a separate course. But in this course, ACSESS, we are going to introduce you. Built-in evaluations and progress monitoring. What's special about this course? There are hundreds of English courses, communication skill courses. Our contents are unparalleled. It's loaded with technical knowledge. Our methods are one of the best in the world. Plus, we have Virtual Trainer, an animated, realistic virtual trainer. It'll seem like you're being tutored by a private tutor, an expert in the field. 3E principle, we follow essence, efficiency, and efficacy. We teach only what's essential for you in the most efficient method, most efficient way, and it's effective. It's been tested on hundreds and hundreds of students. Most importantly, it's been created by successful engineers, scientists, and professors from America, Europe, and Asia. They know what the 21st century industries are looking for. That's what they're going to teach you. Okay. The learning process is very simple. Behind the scene is very complicated. But to you, the user, it's very simple. You choose a module and a lesson. Follow the suggested sequence. It's been organized properly to build your knowledge slowly. For each lesson, there's this short introduction video. Watch it, learn something. Right after that, the lesson starts. Lesson is divided into topics, related topics. Each topic has some essential keywords to talk about that topic. For example, there may be science, technology, engineering, mathematics. The virtual tutor is going to read them, pronounce them correctly. Immediately after that, you have to repeat the way you hear as much as you can. For example, it may be science, not science. Technology, not technology. Engineering, not engineering. Mathematics, mathematics. That's how you have to pronounce, okay? After that, there's going to be some technical sentences and paragraphs. The virtual tutor is going to teach you. You're supposed to listen carefully and repeat exactly, clearly, slowly, and loudly. Copying the tutor. For example, the tutor may say, Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the directed sum of all electrical potential differences around any closed circuit is zero. You have to pronounce the same way. It's Kirchhoff, not Kirchhoff. Okay. Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the directed sum of all electrical potential differences around any closed circuit is zero. Follow the hints and tips. There are hundreds of hints and tips given in each lesson. You apply them right away. You learn, practice right away, and apply throughout your life. Do the activities suggested in the lessons. For example, there may be a paragraph you hear, and you have to answer certain questions for comprehension. You may have to summarize a paragraph, write a short summary, and record, upload it. We'll evaluate that. Check out the videos. There are some references given, videos given, longer videos. In your off time, go through them. You learn a lot. Do some research. You may be asked to do some research. Find out certain things. Do some research on it. Think about it and understand. There are going to be some assignments, homework given to you, extra activities. For example, some project ideas are given to you. Form a little group of interested students and do one of those projects. Who knows, you may become an inventor. Organize group discussions. You may take the help from your faculty members. Or you can organize yourselves. Get a group of 4 or 5 students. Organize the group discussion. How to have a successful group discussion will be told to you through samples. Okay. Technical presentations, exactly the same thing. Step-by-step process of successful and effective technical presentation will be given to you. Samples will be given to you. Topics will be given to you. You choose a topic, make a technical presentation to your friends and colleagues. Mock interviews, you can organize. Samples are given, sample answers are given. Processes are given, you organize it yourself. See your score. For everything that you do, you'll get a score. Do not worry if your score is low. I've seen students starting with 30%. Very quickly, they go up to 60, 70, 80%, which is excellent. Okay? Just continue. Watch your progress. At the end of the course, there may be a digital certification of international standard, which is optional. What did you learn from this video? Whenever you watch something or do something, there should be some essential part to it that you must remember. The essence is this. We have spent thousands of hours creating this course for you. This unparalleled course. But you have to do your part. You have to see, listen carefully, and repeat aloud, copying the avatar or the virtual tutor as much as possible. That's what you have to do. Listen and repeat everything that you hear, and you'll become an excellent communicator. Thank you. We wish you success.